How to withdraw money from Vantage. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So after opening up your Vantage app, just click on the three lines at the top left hand side corner. Since I have not verified my account and I don't have live account as of now, that's why three lines are not showing for me, but for you it will show up on the top left hand side corner. After that, just go to the funds section and over there you will be able to find the option of withdraw. Just simply select it and after that type the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you would have to select the bank account where you want to transfer, and then just select instant bank transfer and type all the details like the address, bank account number and all sort of details, and this way you would be able to withdraw money from Vantage. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.